If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start taking these trades together. Hey, how's it going today, everyone? Hope you're all doing fantastic out there today. Just wanted to bring you in here for this short-term 5-minute Nadex binary options trade on the USD JPY pair here. That I am anticipating a false breakout to the upside, looking to capitalize on the otherwise overall downward trend to continue. You can see we are nearing the upper Bollinger Band here with a competitive entry here with a just slightly in the money entry price here. The spreads have been a lot wider on Nadex lately, I'm sure you all have noticed, but nevertheless we will still look to get a fantastic short-term profit here. So I will likely take profits as we gain closer to the center Bollinger Band or hold into expiration here for this trade. The mindset behind that is anytime you are reaching the outer limits of the Bollinger Band or the center Bollinger Band, those are moving averages and standard deviations where you are more likely to see a move back opposite away from those bands the closer they get. At least that is the premise. Of course, when you add in other indicators, that makes that a lot more likely to be in your favor when you have a confluence of different indications and market activity stacked in your favor, all lining up in the same direction, calling for the same signal there. Of course, you can learn more about that with the links and resources I have in the description below, where you can get access to my package where I cover in a multi-video series exactly what I look for when entering on positions like this. And alternatively, I do have the shadow trading program, of course, which we have been having a good week for shadow trading thus far. So here we are, the profits are rolling in now. I will be looking to go ahead and lock in profits soon here. We are getting pretty close to expiration, but we are also very close to the center Bollinger Band there. And as stated, anytime you get this close to the center Bollinger Band, it is wiser to go ahead and take profits early. Even if you don't have that much time left on the contract, you'd be surprised the things I've seen over the years of trading on Nadex, where we just have a bounce straight back over the strike there as close to expiration as 30 seconds, a minute left, and so on. So here we will likely see a small bounce back to the upside from the center Bollinger Band. Ultimately, it looks like this position would have held into expiration for a full profit, but sometimes it is best to take profits early. Yeah, look at that. Such a sharp but quick move, not quite enough to go back over the strike, but I have certainly seen some close trades that could have been prevented if you lock in a profit. If you already have more than 80% of your profit potential, sometimes it is best to just go ahead and take your profits there and look at a potential re-entry, especially when you have more time than 30 seconds left on the clock there until expiration. Sometimes you can go ahead and reap more profit potential than what otherwise would be possible just by holding the one entry into expiration. So that was just to go ahead and show you guys this quick short-term position here. Now you could actually look at a potential move to the upside, but as anticipated, even though we are at the center Bollinger Band and the strike is well established in the money here, it is an overall downward trend. So I will hold off on another potential entry here until I have more confirmation. But I just want to bring you guys in here to show you that trade and a little bit of an analysis behind the reasoning for that short-term trade there. As stated, if you want to learn more about the Informed Traders educational package, that link is down in the description. And as stated, I also have the shadow trading program down in the description below as well, where you can get access to my trades 5 nights a week, Sundays through Thursdays at 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I appreciate you guys coming by. Be sure to like and subscribe for more, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Stay safe out there. Hey, how's it going today, everyone? I hope you're all doing great out there today. For this video, I wanted to demonstrate a quick 5-minute binary options trade I had on Nadex, where I was able to profit over $90 in just 5 minutes doing a simple support and resistance trade, and also explain the difference between futures trading and binary options trading and why I prefer binary options as my primary speculative trading instrument. First, we will discuss the nature of the contract. Futures. For futures trading, futures contracts are agreements to buy or sell an underlying asset at a predetermined price on a specified future date. The buyer and seller are obligated to fulfill the contract at the agreed upon terms. With binary options, they are just financial derivatives with only two possible outcomes: either a fixed payout if the option expires in the money, or nothing if it expires out of the money. Binary options don't involve ownership of the underlying asset. Instead, traders bet on whether the price of the asset will rise or fall within a specified time frame. Next up is the risk and reward. Futures trading involves potentially unlimited gains or losses. Traders can earn substantial profits if the market moves in their favor, but they also risk losing the entire initial investment if the market moves against them. For binary options, they offer a fixed reward and risk. Traders know the potential payout and loss up front, making it easier to manage risk. If the option expires in the money, the trader receives the predetermined payout. Otherwise, they lose the initial investment. Finally, we will discuss leverage. This is the main reason I prefer binary options over other short-term trading instruments. Futures trading typically involves high leverage, allowing traders to control a large position with a relatively small amount of capital. While leverage amplifies potential profits, it also magnifies potential losses as well. On the other hand, with binary options trading doesn't involve leverage. Traders only risk the amount they invest in each trade, regardless of market volatility, making for a simple and straightforward proposition. In summary, while both futures and binary options involve speculation on the future price movements of financial assets, they differ in contract nature, risk-reward profile, and leverage overall. Traders should carefully consider these differences and their trading objectives before choosing between the two. So yeah guys, I just wanted to make this quick video because I've seen a lot of people talking about futures trading lately. A lot of people are moving from traditional Forex, for example, over to futures trading and looking at other financial instruments. So I just wanted to make this video to cover the differences and why I prefer binary options. If you want to see a more detailed but still simple and straightforward breakdown of how I find these perfect storm trading entries for more consistent long-term trading results, then be sure to check out my Informed Traders educational package, where I cover in a multi-video series exactly which indicators I like to use and how I combine them together to find entries just like what you see here in this video. Alternatively, I do offer the shadow trading program, where you can get access to any time I enter and exit a trade 5 nights a week, Sundays through Thursdays at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If those sound interesting to you, those resources are down in the description and the comments below. Otherwise, please be sure to like and subscribe for more content just like this, and I'll be sure to incorporate more trade breakdowns in the future as well. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day out there today. Catch you next time. Peace. Hey, how's it going today, everyone? Hope you're all doing fantastic out there today. So for this video, I wanted to bring you in here to do a recap of a trade we had in the shadow trading program from last night's shadow trading session. So as you know, our sessions start at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we trade Sundays through Thursdays. For last night's entry, we got into a great position just at the top of the hour, just after the hour turned 7. So you can see here in this example, there was already a pre-established bearish trend here. And what we got was a bearish engulfing candle that signals a strong downward momentum in an already established bearish trend. We are looking at a trend continuation trade here, taking advantage of the already predetermined trend present in the pair at this time. Immediately after this bearish engulfing candle is when we see a long wick to the upside bullish candle, indicating a weak attempt to establish an upwards move on the pair. You can also see an increase in bullish volume during this failed move, which is another great bearish trend continuation indicator. We enter for a sell position on this failed green candle. Throughout the hour, there was not much in the way of pushback. You can see multiple bearish engulfing candles continuing in our favor here. A simple and straightforward hold all around into expiration here for full profits on this trade. This was a slightly in the money position, gaining $34 per contract before fees. Not too bad for a 1 hour hold on this position. So I just wanted to bring you guys in here to briefly recap this trade and show you exactly what is possible when you know what to look for when finding these trend continuation trades. All around, this trade saw us with a fantastic profit for last night's sessions. As stated, this trade is directly from the shadow trading program, where you can learn more about that in the description below. If you want to see a more detailed but still simple and straightforward breakdown of how I find these perfect storm trading entries for more consistent long-term trading results, then be sure to check out my Informed Traders educational package, where I cover in a multi-video series exactly which indicators I like to use and how I combine them together to find entries just like what you see here in this video. Alternatively, I do offer the shadow trading program, where you can get access to any time I enter and exit a trade 5 nights a week, Sundays through Thursdays at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If those sound interesting to you, those resources are down in the description and the comments below. Otherwise, please be sure to like and subscribe for more content just like this, and I'll be sure to incorporate more trade breakdowns in the future as well. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day out there today. Catch you next time. Peace. If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start taking these trades together.